Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will grow XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Former SEC enforcement chief, puzzled by its delayed action against Gemini, XRP community reacts. The SEC's crypto enforcement actions continue to raise dust. Former U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission enforcement chief Lisa Braganca has let slip that she is puzzled by the regulator's delayed enforcement action against Gemini. The former regulator and attorney disclosed this in a CNBC Squawk Box interview shared on Friday. According to Braganca, it is not clear why the SEC has known about this product for over a year, per recent statements from Gemini's Tyler Winklevoss, and refused to intervene till now, despite its clear stance on products like the Earn program Gemini offered. The SEC has known about this product for a long time, yet it allowed this to continue, Braganca said. The SEC has been clear for years that something like this Earn program is a security, so it's puzzling why they didn't come to a resolution of this a long time ago. It comes as the SEC launched legal action against Genesis Trading and Gemini for engaging in the sale of unregistered securities on Thursday. As reported by the Crypto Basic, Gemini's Tyler Winklevoss has described the charges as counterproductive and politically motivated. The XRP community reacts notably. The former regulator's comments did not go unnoticed by the crypto community, particularly XRP community members. Attorney Jeremy Hogan, a pro-XRP lawyer who follows the case between Ripple and the SEC, wondered what Braganca's reaction would be in the case of Ripple, which the SEC waited for 5 to 6 years to sue. Meanwhile, attorney John Deaton, a friend of the court on behalf of XRP holders in the Ripple case, opined that the SEC waited till it could cause maximum pain to foster its agenda of regulating the crypto markets. SEC files motion to exclude testimonies of 10 Ripple experts. The SEC has filed an omnibus motion to exclude the testimonies of 10 Ripple experts in the ongoing lawsuit. The Securities and Exchange Commission noted that the experts' opinions should be excluded because they have nothing to do with the 3 prongs of the Howey test. Defendants and their experts ignore Howey and controlling precedent and instead ask the court to decide the question of whether defendants offered and sold XRP as part of investment contracts by looking to other legal regimes or to facts that courts have repeatedly held are irrelevant to the Howey analysis, the SEC noted. Some of Ripple's experts the SEC wants to include their testimonies include Professor Alan Schwartz, Peter Adrians, Alan Farrell, and Carol Osler. The SEC asked the court to exclude the testimony of Professor Schwartz for purportedly reviewing some of the contracts through which Ripple offered and sold XRP to determine whether the written contracts meet the Howey test. Schwartz's opinions should be excluded because contract interpretation is an inappropriate subject for expert testimony, the SEC said. Furthermore, the SEC also requested that the court exclude the testimonies of Adrians, Farrell, and Osler, who stated in their reports that XRP has other uses other than investment purposes. Per the SEC, the existence of use does not advance the Howey inquiry because different courts have continually held that items that have actual use can still be sold as an investment contract. The relevant inquiry is not whether something has used but whether, considering the entirety of the economic inducements and realities, an investment was sold primarily for use or sold for its potential for profit, the SEC added. BTC, ETH, XRP, saw surge to 2-month highs as crypto market cap surpasses $1 trillion. The crypto market cap is up 9%, sitting at $1,028,100,668,522, 1.02 T, according to CoinGecko stats. BTC Bitcoin, BTC, continued its 2023 surge, pushing past $20,000 for the first time in over 2 months in the wee hours of January 14. The world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization started the year trapped inside a tight range before breaching $17,000 and growing over 23% to date. At press time, BTC was trading at $20,920 after an 11% increase in the past 24 hours. And although the crypto, which topped $68,000 in November 2002, is still perceived to still be near the low end of a brutal bear market, observers believe the newly found bullish momentum should be enough to propel prices higher. Bitcoin is now trading back above its cost basis, realized price, for the first time in months. In other words, in aggregate, The market is no longer underwater at the moment, said Will Clementi, a co-founder of digital asset research firm Reflexivity Research. Ethereum has also been growing nicely, surging this week to reclaim levels last seen in October 2021. In the past day, the crypto asset has rose 10.46% to tap $1,550, posting the 8th consecutive daily green candles. Ether's rise comes ahead of the Shanghai hard fork, which is scheduled for March. Key among other reasons, investors are stoked that the upgrade will unlock Ether, ETH, they had staked on the blockchain, making it inaccessible for months. SHIB, XRP, ADA. Other cryptos also benefited from the rally this week, with SHIB, XRP, and ADA surging roughly 13%, 8%, and 12% in the past day respectively, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Ripple wants court to exclude one of SEC expert testimony. Prominent blockchain company Ripple has filed a redacted motion to exclude the testimony and accompanying exhibits of SEC expert 2 from the public docket. While the lawsuit centers on whether Ripple's XRP sales constituted an investment contract, the defendants said the expert denied having any opinion on whether Ripple offered unregistered security. Why Ripple wants the testimony excluded? Ripple noted that instead of giving an opinion on whether its XRP sales constituted security, SEC Expert 2's testimony offered a tutorial to the jury on the registration and disclosure of security offerings under the SEC Act of 1934. The leading blockchain company said the testimony is entirely irrelevant to the main issues the SEC must prove in the lawsuit. His testimony has no bearing on the questions before the court. It would merely confuse and distract the jury, inviting them to reach a verdict on the improper basis of whether defendants' XRP distributions should be considered investment contracts as a matter of policy rather than whether they were investment contracts as a matter of fact and law, Ripple added. SEC Expert 2 also impermissibly assumes that XRP was an investment contract by opining that Ripple deprived investors of key material disclosures. Other reasons for backing Ripple's request: the blockchain company requested that the testimony of SEC Expert 2 needs to be excluded for several reasons. According to Ripple, the expert needs to gain experience with digital assets. Furthermore, the expert did not analyze the mix of information available to XRP purchasers, which Ripple sees as the starting point for a materiality analysis under the Second Circuit and Supreme Court law. XRP bulls to target 42 cents as investors digest the SEC versus Ripple filings. XRP extended its winning streak to 6 sessions on Friday, supporting a return to 40 cents this morning. SEC versus Ripple court filings failed to spook investors. On Friday, XRP rose by 2.86% to extend its winning streak to 6 sessions. Investor sentiment toward the SEC versus Ripple case delivered support alongside the broader crypto market. The technical indicators are bullish, with XRP sitting above the 50-day EMA, signaling a return to 45 cents. On Friday, XRP rose by 2.86%. Following a 0.57% gain on Thursday, XRP ended the day at $0.38576. Significantly, XRP ended the day at 38 cents for the first time since December 14 and extended the winning streak to 6 sessions. After a range-bound morning, XRP fell to an early afternoon low of $0.36825. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.